The Adidas Harden Volume 10 Hellcat continues the legacy of the highly praised Volume 9, proving that even as designs evolve, the core performance DNA stays strong. This upcoming Spring 2026 release showcases a bold, muscle car-inspired aesthetic built for hoopers and sneaker fans who want power, grip, and standout style on court. While the Volume 9 revealed red underlays through its cutout stripes, the Volume 10 switches things up with a closed rippled shell, letting fiery red accents shine through its ventilation holes and glowing traction pods, resembling iconic Hellcat tail lights. Reflective hits on the toe and heel add extra flair, while wide outsole stripes complete the aggressive look. Expected to retail at $160, the Harden Volume 10 Hellcat keeps everything fans loved but pushes the design further. Perfect for viewers searching for the latest basketball sneakers, performance upgrades, and upcoming Adidas releases.